Good day everyone. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly and easily remove part of an image in Adobe Illustrator. First, we'll open up a new file. Next, we'll drag and drop a picture into Illustrator. Choose the artboard tool, press Shift and O. Now delete your original artboard. Go to the Windows tab and choose Transparency. Under the Transparency tab, choose Make a Mask. Deselect the Clip option. Click on the mask. Now get the paintbrush tool. Change the stroke to black. I'll zoom in here and we'll go over the areas that we want removed. Voila! Like, comment, and follow for more.